Ready, set, go. The B-I-B-L-E.
Yes, that's
The book for me. I stand alone on the word of God. The B-I-B-L-E. Bible. Good job. And Hannah, what's your memory verse from last week?
A gentle translator with Proverbs 15:55.
A gentle answer turns anger away. Proverbs 15:1. That's right. I don't know.
Proverbs 15:5 too.
Where did you get 15:5 from?
My belly.
From your belly. You're silly. Zachary, can you say Proverbs 15:1?
A gentle answer turns anger away. Proverbs 15:1.
Very good.
Airplane!
Say bye.
Another airplane! Bye! And I see another airplane!
Yep, we always see airplanes around here, don't we?
Why do we always see airplanes out our windows?
Because there's an airport. What does airplane start with?
A.
Very good. Very good.
But
All
it
right.
also starts with B too.
No, it doesn't. What starts with B that flies?
Helicopter.
No. Balloon.
Balloon. Yeah. But what does helicopter start with?
H.
H.